Friends, a new storm is about to hit the tech world. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A75 5G under its A series, and it's set to shake up the mid-budget segment. If you're looking for a feature-packed flagship killer smartphone, without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Because today, we're breaking down all the details, features, price, and launch date of this powerhouse device. So let's dive in. Features of Samsung Galaxy A75 5G. Display. The Galaxy A75 5G boasts a stunning 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, every experience will be buttery smooth. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, making unlocking your phone fast and secure. Camera setup. If you crave a killer camera phone, the Galaxy A75 5G won't disappoint. It packs a quad camera setup, headlined by a 108-megapixel primary sensor with OIS, for ultra-stable shots. Alongside it, you get a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 16-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, for those close-up shots. And for selfie lovers, a massive 50-megapixel front camera, that'll make every snap Instagram-worthy. Performance. This phone's performance is flagship level. It's powered by the Exynos 2300 processor, and Xclipse 710 GPU, handling heavy gaming and multitasking like a champ, zero lag guaranteed. Plus, it runs on Android 16, so you'll enjoy the latest software features right out of the box. Battery life. Battery anxiety, not here. The Galaxy A75 5G packs a 5500 mAh beast, that'll easily last you a full day. And when it's time to recharge, 90-watt fast charging juices it up in minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question. How much will it cost? Based on leaks, this phone could launch between $450 to $500, which is an absolute steal for these specs. And as for the launch date, Samsung is expected to drop it by the end of this year.